Hello, today we will talk about hair transplant operation and especially after hair transplant, what we should do. After hair transplant, in the clinic, you want to do the first hair washing, but after that, you want to do the hair washing in your home. It's very easy, but we should follow the instructions. So first, we want to put the foam. Want to leave it all. It want to be in the instructions. After that, want to wash it by water. The water shouldn't be very strong. We can use spray or very smoothie water. And after that, want to put the shampoo, rub it with water, and take the foam of the shampoo and apply it gently without rubbing. And then want to wash it again. And while while drying, want to use only the kitchen towel, no towels. The towels are forbidden, so we cannot do any rubbing. So this is about the hair washing. We have a lot of instructions we should follow. We will put a band for 3 days after the procedure, and this band want to stay just to don't have any swollen face directly after the procedure. And this band should be removed, and you can ask help from a friend or your wife or whatever. Also, after the procedure, the most important thing to don't hit our head, because the grafts here, and even with a small touch, the grafts might come off from the implanted area. So while we getting in the car, while we are, if we dropped something to the floor, we have to be careful, because it want to be still a little bit numb, and we shouldn't hit our head. So especially while we getting in and out the car, we have to be very careful to don't hit the head. Unfortunately, we had a little cases, and we did another hair transplant for them to take some grafts to transplant them again. But if we do the maximum, so there is not enough hair to be extracted from the donor area to the baldness area. So this is the most important point. After the procedure, we cannot enter sauna, we cannot enter steam room, or even we cannot swim for 1 month. But we can start doing soft exercises, just walking after 10 days, or we can do like running after 2 weeks. But regarding the heavy workout, unfortunately, we cannot do it until the 3rd or the 4th week. So we can do soft. For example, if you do 20 kilograms, just do 5 or 7. Just try to exercise a little bit, but don't do hard effort, because every hard effort, the grafts might come off because of the pressure. Also, I mean, if you are doing basketball or football or boxing, we don't recommend to have it. We have all in our instructions. Everybody loves vacations, so you can go to the vacation, but the most important thing to protect the hair from the direct sun. We are not talking after the operation, just 1 week or 2 weeks. For 5 minutes walking, it's not a problem, even in summer. But if you plan to go to vacation to a hot place, for sure you can enjoy the beach, you can swim, you can have some bathing, but always we have to protect the implanted area, the transplanted place by hat. It's very important for 1 year. After that, you are completely free. If we have transplanted hair in the crown area, we have to be very careful about it, and especially after the procedure, not only the crown, even the front. When I have like scabs, those scabs should be cleaned perfectly after 10 days or maximum after 2 weeks from the procedure. So I want to ask the clients to send pictures, just to let them know how they can clean the scabs, and we have videos as well, and all will be in the instructions, and we will be more than happy to explain about how they have to clean them directly after the procedure. Also, while we're doing hair transplant, it's different cases. We have like front or front, middle, and even the crown. Sometimes we do the operation not for completely bald people. We might do increasing the density. So here about the original hair, it's very important. Some of clients saying, I had good result, but after 2 years, my hair stopped falling again. But here we can guarantee the original hair. We don't have nothing to do to the original hair. I mean, the transplanted hair will stay for long time, will not fall, because the follicles, the grafts in the backside are very strong and no way to be fall. So that means if you lose the hair in the back, you want to lose it here, but you cannot see anyone completely bald from the backside. But the original hair, unfortunately, because of the genetic reasons, it might fall. It's very normal, so the clients should know about it. Also, the original hair, we might just give them some supplements or sprays to try to keep the original hair for a long time. So each case is different. Don't compare your result or don't compare your case to another guy, because it's completely different one. We talked about sun, about protecting the hair from the direct sun, and there are another important points as well. It's just to don't have salty food after the procedure, because it might do odemia. You want to take your medications that want to give it to you, the antibiotic, the painkiller, and want to give you the shampoo. And this shampoo should be non-chemical, so it want to be organic shampoo. But after 3 months from the procedure, you can use any shampoo you want, but we don't prefer the cheap shampoos. Just try to have a good one. They are in all over the world. You can find good shampoos in the pharmacies. Also, regarding food, the food is very important. We have to take the enough amount of minerals and vitamins. We are talking here especially about biotin, zinc, iron, all kind of B vitamins, and especially also the protein. We have to have good enough proteins to feed the grafts. If someone cannot eat green leaves, for example, because we need them from leaves, meat, fruits, but if someone cannot eat, for example, meat for vegan clients, we might tell them what they can have some supplements just to keep the original hair better. Also, after the procedure, after 2 weeks, the hair washing will be a little bit different. So after cleaning the scabs, we have to do a good massage. Don't afraid, the hair might fall, but the grafts, the implanted grafts, will be under the skin, will be inside the scalp. So we will not lose the grafts. So we have to do a good massage just to increase the density, increase the blood circulation in the transplanted area, and to try to feed the grafts by our body, because the graft need a little bit time to give hair. So after 4 months from the procedure, you want to notice a good difference between before and after the procedure. And don't forget that the last result will be after 1 year. So be patient, please, directly after the procedure. And also the crown area, it might take 15 to 18 months to have the final result. We have a lot of instructions we cannot say in one video, but for sure each client has different case from the other. So we go to a client, not everything we cannot give it, unfortunately, in one video. Have a good day, bye.